Pousar, Tortelli, Italian versus the Frenchman. Then it was Mascio, Chiodi. But Pousar and Tortelli battling it corner to corner with Chiodi. And behind Chiodi, it was Davy Strybus. Then 98 Colin Dugmore, the South African. Then Mascio, the Frenchman. Then Jimmy Button, the American, number 59. There's Tortelli. We've lost Chiodi. It was Chiodi and Tortelli together there who clashed on the track. And behind those two, the battle is most certainly on. Button, the American, climbing all over Chiodi. Pousar it is then that leads, and doesn't he look comfortable? Now being chased by Frederici, and there's Dugmore, 98. Colin Dugmore has been racing now World Grand Prix for some years, but the results are beginning to come. Pousar.